Most people get this wrong. They think pet insurance is too expensive or unnecessary. But the surprising truth is that MetLife Pet Insurance can actually save you thousands in unexpected vet bills. MetLife offers coverage for accidents, illnesses, and optional wellness plans. You can choose from reimbursement levels of 70%, 80%, or 90%, and set an annual limit that fits your budget. This flexibility makes it easy to find a plan tailored to your pet's needs and your finances. One standout feature is that MetLife allows coverage for a wide range of pets, including cats, dogs, and exotic pets in certain cases. Claims are straightforward. You can submit them online, and reimbursement is typically fast. Many users report receiving payments within a few days, which is critical when vet bills pile up. The surprising truth is that having insurance doesn't just cover emergencies. Routine illness treatments and specialized care like surgery or cancer treatment can be extremely costly, and without coverage, even a minor accident can become a financial burden. With MetLife, you're essentially paying a predictable monthly fee for peace of mind. In conclusion, MetLife Pet Insurance is ideal for pet owners who want financial protection against unexpected vet costs and access to quality care without worrying about money. For many, the peace of mind alone justifies the monthly premium. Subscribe for more honest reviews of pet insurance and tips to keep your furry friends safe and healthy without breaking the bank.